Remove the contra-angle from the machine. Then remove the burr. Wipe the surface of the contra-angle with a clean damp cloth. Do not flush the head and tail of the contra-angle with water directly. Too much water will be poured into the head, which will cause damage to the bearing. The first step, scrub the body and the pinholes. Brush the surface of the contra-angle with 75% alcohol. Use a 0.6 mm special brush to clean the pinholes. Step 2, oiling. Install the oil filling pipe at the end of the contra-angle. Align the oil filling pipe to fill the oil. Align the needle hole with oil. Step 3, dry the movement. Use the three-purpose gun on the dental chair to aim at the end of the contra-angle. No load, forward rotation for 5 to 8 seconds, reverse rotation for 5 to 8 seconds. Repeat the oiling and no load operation twice. Step 4, packaging and sterilization. Packaging. Then put the contra-angle into the autoclave for sterilization. Be sure to clean and maintain after each use. This not only prevents virus cross-infection, but also extends the service life of the contra-angle.